This video is a quick tutorial to self-host n8n locally. After watching this video, you will be able to run n8n locally on your machine without paying a single cent. For that, we need to download the Docker desktop. There are two ways to download Docker desktop. The first one is easy one. You just have to go to your Microsoft Store and then simply search for Docker. Open the Docker desktop and simply install it. As I have already installed it, I will not install it again. If you don't have Microsoft Store or if you are trying to install Docker on the Ubuntu, there is a second method for you. Simply go to your Google Chrome and type Docker for Windows and click the first link. On this documentation page, you have to click on the first button, which is Docker Desktop for Windows, and your download will start. After your download complete, you have to open the file and go through the setup. Installation process for the Docker desktop is very straightforward and simple, and you can do it on your own. In case you came across some issue, leave a comment. Once you have installed the Docker, we will just simply open it. This is how the Docker will look. First, we will create a new volume. You can see in the left sidebar, you can click on the volume section and then click on create a volume. Just give it a random name and click on create. This will create our new volume. Then we will go to the images tab and click on the search bar at the top and search n8n. This image appears which has 100 million downloads. We will simply click on pull. It will pull all the resources needed to run n8n locally on your machine. It will take some time, so I will pause the video here and comes back when it's done. Okay, so image has been pulled successfully and it has been shown here in our images tab. We will simply click on this run button and open the optional settings. Please make sure to update your settings as I have done. Container name is n8n. You can give your any random name. Port number is 5678. Host path is the volume that we have created and container path is this. And after that, just simply click on run. It will run few logs and after that it will give us a URL to access over n8n locally. So we get this URL. You can just simply click on this and it will open in Google Chrome tab. And here is your n8n running locally on your machine. So we will fill the information, email, first name, last name, password, and check this mark and then click on next. Here the further information is required, which we can just fill out. And then this pop-up shows up which offers you some paid features for free. I will highly recommend to use these. For that you have to give your email and then send me a free license key. n8n team will send you a license key on your email which you will copy and paste into your settings. For now I am just skipping it. And here is your n8n. You can just click on start from scratch and start building the workflows and automations for your business. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe the channel because I have planned a couple of more tutorials for the n8n and AI automations. If you have any question or suggestion, comment section is for you. Thanks a lot for watching.